Okay, hi everyone, welcome to a step-by-step tutorial for drafting a double-breasted front panel. Without wasting time, ladies and gentlemen, let us get started to our practical class. Get me there. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, congratulations, you have successfully drafted the back panel of your blazer coat. Now, you are ready to move on to drafting the other elements like the front and the side panel, bringing your blazer to life. Here, we will include the details that define the front, like the lapel design, chest and hip pocket, breast overlap, neckline, button placement, and other features. Okay, let us get started with step 3A. Start by tracing the horizontal working lines of the back.
Farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog, the cow takes the dog. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog.
Since we are working on the front part, we will have to determine across front height line. So from chest line D, measure upwards D to M, your chest measurement divided by 16. My chest is 38. When I divide by 16, giving me 2.375 inches.
The dog takes the cat, the dog takes the cat. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse, the cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese, the mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
Now, let us add personality to the front panel by adding calculated body measurements.
Cheese stands alone. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
At the chest line D, measure and mark inwards from point D to N.
Your chest measurement divided by 4. My chest is 38. I divide by 4, giving me 9.5 inches. Square down these measurements to the belly line, that is E to O, hemline, that is B to P, hem allowance line, that is C to Q. Still at the chest line point N, determine across front arm line rise. Measure and mark inwards N to 12, your chest measurement, divide by 48. My chest is 38, I divide by 48, giving me 0.79 inches. At point 12, determine front chest widths. From point 12 to point 14, your chest measurement, divide by 24. My chest 38, divide by 24, giving me 1.5 inches. At point 12, square up a mini straight line to intersect with across front line to create point 13. Then connect point 14 O, P and Q together with a line to create front side seam line. Next, step 3B, creating the neckline. Consider the style of your blazer when deciding on the neckline. A classic notch or a more contemporary shawl collar can add a distinct character to your coat front panel. Now, let us first determine the front neck widths. Measure and mark inwards from starting point A to point 15. Your chest measurement, divide by 8. My chest in this tutorial is 38. When I divide by 8, giving me 4.75 inches. At point 15, measure and mark downwards 15 to 16 neck depths. Your chest measurement, divide by 24. My chest 38, divide by 24, giving me 1.5 inches. At point 15, measure and mark slightly upwards from 15 to 17, 0.25 inches. Next is to determine the front neck opening. Measure and mark downwards from starting point A to 19, the neck opening. Your chest measurement, divide by 12. My chest 38, divide by 12, giving me 3.16. Connect point 17, 18 and 19 together with a line to create front neckline. Next is to insert front shoulder slope. At point 17, just copy the back, that is 2 to H, to create point 20. Just pivot and copy the back, that is 2 to H. Now, connect point 20 to 13 and point 13 to 14 with a curved line to create front armhole curve. Next, step 3C, adding chest pocket. Decide on the placement and size of the chest pocket. A common pocket placement is on the left side of your coat, slightly above the chest line. Okay, at point 12, measure and mark inwards 12 to A, 2 inches, the distance between the pocket and across the front stroke arm line rise. A to B, pocket slant 0.75 inches. B to C, pocket width 4 inches. C to D, pocket height 1 inch. B to E, pocket height 1 inch. After, connect point B to C, C to D, B to E, and E to D together to create pocket outline of the chest pocket onto the front panel, ensuring it is symmetrical and aligned with the coat's design. Now, we are done with the chest pocket. Next, step 3D, adding hip pocket and first button guideline. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's where we are ending our part 2. To be continued in part 3. Just keep tuned, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn notification bell on so that you will be updated whenever I upload a new video. See you. Bye. Shalom.